Hi friends, I'm going to go over your application problem for today. We are on lesson 18 application problem, which is page 105 in your math workbooks. Now today's application problem is a little bit different than normal, so I want us to make sure that we're really paying attention to what the problem is asking us to figure out. So the problem for today says X come in cartons of 12. Use pictures, numbers, or words to explain whether 12 is even or not even. Now, last week in math, we were talking a lot about even numbers and how we can talk about doubles. So for today's work, what we're going to do first is we're going to draw a picture to help ourselves figure out whether 12 is even or not even. Now, what I'm going to do is first I'm going to draw my picture of my eggs. So I know eggs come in cartons of 12. A lot of times my eggs in my refrigerator look like this. So I'm going to have my carton, and it's going to have 2 rows of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so I have my picture of my 12 eggs, right? There we go. So I have my picture of my 12 eggs. There are 6 on the top and 6 on the bottom. So I can look at this picture to figure out whether 12 is even or not even. And I know that even numbers mean that there's always a pair, right? A lot of times we can skip count by 2s to figure out if a number is even or not even. And if I'm looking at this picture, I can see, okay, this says pair, this has a pair, this has a pair, this one does, and this one does, right? There's no leftover egg out here that's by itself. If I look at this picture, right, I can draw lines to even connect them to see that each one has a group of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. This shows me that 12 is even. So when I look at my picture, I can write 12 is an even number because, right, there are a few different reasons why 12 is an even number, what I could say. So I could say 12 is an even number because I can skip count by 2s to 12. Each egg has a partner or a pair. And I also can see that my groups, right, my rows are both equal. There's both an equal number here, 6 on the top and 6 on the bottom, right? So if I split the eggs in half, this shows me that this group is 6 and this group is 6. So that means that it's even because there are 2 equal groups. So I could say there are 2 equal rows or groups of 6. So there are a few different ways that we could answer this problem, right? You could have used pictures, numbers, or words. What I did was I kind of used all 3, right? I used my picture to figure it out, I used numbers, and I also used my words. So if you had any of these reasons, great job.